Welcome to this tutorial on how to use FOREVER DTF Economy, a cost-efficient DTF film designed for reliable, consistent production results. Step 1. File. Open your design in your preferred software. Set your artwork using standard CMYK color channels. Once your design is ready, export it to your RIP software. Keep your white underbase turned on. Economy works with white ink, unlike Effect and Metallic, which require white ink to be turned off. Step 2. Print. Before printing, wear latex gloves if possible to avoid fingerprints and dust contamination. Make sure you print on the matte side of the film. You can find the correct side by tilting the sheet under light. Now send the job to print. For this tutorial, we're using a large format DTF printer. You can also use a small format printing system. Economy offers controlled ink absorption for clean color results and sharp detail when used with compatible ink systems. This helps reduce ink spread and keeps your production consistent. Step 3. Cure. Apply standard DTF hot melt powder. Then cure it according to your equipment. In an oven, max 135 degrees Celsius or 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and in a shaker with infrared heating, max 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the powder is fully melted without overheating. Step 4. Press and peel. Position the transfer on your garment and cover it with a silicone sheet or FOREVER Matte Finish Economy. Press at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit, using 2 bars or 29 psi for 10 to 15 seconds. After pressing, peel the film. FOREVER DTF Economy is designed for easy peeling. It can be peeled hot, warm, or cold, depending on your workflow. Our special formula stops glue from sticking to the film, leaving you with clean transfers, sharp edges, and fine details. Cover your print again with FOREVER Matte Finish Economy. Repress at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit using 2 bar or 29 psi for 15 seconds. This leaves you with a semi-matte, full-color design with fine details and sharp results. Depending on your powder and ink, your shirts are washable up to 40 degrees Celsius or on a cold wash cycle and turned inside out. Avoid fabric softener or liquid detergent, and do not tumble dry. We recommend to hang dry instead. And that's it! You've created a professional full-color FOREVER DTF transfer with reliable, cost-efficient production performance. It's ideal for print businesses looking to optimize production costs without compromising reliability. Discover more DTF solutions at foreverots.com and follow us on social media for updates, news, and inspiration.